Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose Sound and click on the switcher next to Vibrate Phone Calls. This way you can switch on or off vibrations for your incoming calls. Then you can click on the switcher next to Touch Vibration to enable or disable this feature. Lastly, scroll down and choose Other Sounds and Vibrations. Now you can manage all of those features by tapping on the switchers next to them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!